nation so grand, Nigeria, our beloved, and face our street, yet emerge as one, embracing life, independence in 1960, a day of jubilation and proclamation of freedom, a new foundation. Leaders like Nnamdi Azikiwe, Obafemi Awolowo, and Tafawa Balewa dream of a united Nigeria forever. But unity is a journey. It is a path we tread through highs and lows as history spread. When challenges are plenty, we strive and fight to keep the nation's flame forever bright. Let's remember the heroes, the sacrifices made, the struggles endured, the price they paid. For Nigeria's unity, we will stand hand in hand. A united nation, forever we will stand. In diversity, we will find our strength and grace. A tapestry of cultures, a vibrant embrace. Nigeria, my country. Together, we'll be fine. So let's celebrate the journey. As time goes by, we hope for the future, reaching for the sky. Nigeria, my country. United we will remain since 1960. Our pride will never wane. Thank you for listening.